Hey, Billy.
What are you guys doing here?
What am I doing here? You left me a message. You said you wanted to talk.
Yeah, but Andrew, I just could have come to the rectory.
Yeah, you could have, but you probably wouldn't have found me there.
Yeah. So why don't I call the hospital and see how he's doing?
Thank you. Thank you, Cassie.
The hospital? What's the matter? Somebody sick?
Yeah. It's about my dad. He's got a problem with the heart. But listen, I want you to keep that under your hat, okay?
Yeah, but why?
There are reasons. There are reasons, believe me. Okay?
No problem, Andrew, but maybe this isn't... Maybe, we should just...
What, should not talk? Come on. Talking's my job. Listening's my hobby.
I wanted to talk to you about my parents.
Mm-hmm.
Things are really messed up between them, Andrew. They're horrible, and it's all because of me, and I don't know how to keep them from splitting up.
All right, slow down. Whoa, slow down here. First of all, you're not responsible for what's happening with your parents. You can't make things right between them. We are people, not machines. Nobody fixes anybody, okay?
Andrew, every time, I look at them and they are just so miserable. It's starting to kill me. I can't see.
I am so proud of you.
What are you talking about?
I'm proud of you. I'll tell you, I'm talking about the same thing I was talking about at the quilt. I'm talking about love and acceptance. I mean, here you told your dad that you're gay. He flat out rejects you. And still, your love for him is so great that you're hurting when he's unhappy. Billy, if I had a son, I would want him to be just like you.
Mean that?
Oh, I mean it. I'd want him to be bright and loving and caring. You bet.
Yeah, well, he'd be the best father any kid could ever have. Marty. Is that you? Hey, how you doing?
I got busted again.
Are you serious? What now, Marty?
Get this. Crashing a motorcycle through this humongous window at the Banner offices. Is that insane or what? What? I didn't do it, or I didn't do it, so quit looking at me like that.
Marty, convince me that I shouldn't be looking at you like this.
I can't. But, Billy, you can't tell anybody I jumped off that bike. God, promise me. I've got the superintendent's lawyer who said that she'll get me off no matter what, but if she finds out that I really did it, she'll blow me off like everybody else in this town has. No, I know. I know. That's why I told you. But I can't take any chances with this lady, nor again, and...
Rachel's mom.
I need her.
Marty, why don't you just tell her the truth?
No way.
I wanted to talk to you before we took the kids out.
Sure. Are things any smoother between your parents, then?
Mrs. Buchanan, I'm afraid they're going to get a divorce now.
Oh, Billy, no, they're not. They love each other.
My dad's moved out. He's got a room at the country club now. He's not even home.
I'm sorry, honey, I didn't know that.
It's like he's making my mom choose between him or me.
Oh, your poor mother. That's the hardest thing in the world, to have to choose between two people that you love.
Mrs. Buchanan, I didn't mean to make this happen.
You did not make this happen, Billy. You didn't. But you know something? You can help your mother now to realize that she does not have to make that choice. She does not have to sacrifice one love for another. You and your father are both too precious for her to lose.
We must not be too precious for my dad to lose.
Yes, you are. Honey, I know it's hard, but you have to try to understand your father, too. He feels very lost right now. He feels like his whole world has been shaken up. Now, I'm sure your mom's not going to give up on him. And you're not either. So the three of you can find your way back together again, but you have to help.
How can I help?
You can love them. You can talk to them. And you can try very hard to be patient and understanding with them. It's much too easy, Billy, to just shut the door and walk away. So don't do that. As long as you keep a door open, and your mother does too, and you keep trying to help your father, anything can happen.
Yeah. Like a miracle.
Love is a miracle, isn't it? I may not know everything, darling, but I do know this. It is worth trying and failing and trying and failing and trying over and over again and never losing faith and never losing your love for them to keep your family together. It is worth everything that is in us.
Okay, so this mug shows, right? Now I'm Sammy Salami, and bada boom, pumps 3 into Frankie Mantone.
So, I spots he's packing a piece.
And then bam! He does Sammy right then and there. And you know what Sammy says to me? He says, "Give me to the Sawbones kids. I hate the quiet boys."
What are they saying?
It's not for your ears, Ma. It's gangsta talk.
Well, if you three public enemies, number 1, 2, and 3, want to have something to eat, God knows why you would want to, but if you do, there are brownies in the kitchen.
Brownies.
Okay,
Joey.
we're there.
Joey, hold it. Please remember that you have your sister Jessica with you tonight. That is responsibility with a capital R.
Okay, I got CJ back safe and sound, right?
Yes.
Remember that. All right, listen. Keep all the doors locked. Keep ours in the windows. You never know, ghosts and vampires, evil spirits.
Oh, get out of here.
Halloween.